We all experience life slightly differently from one another, there is absolutely no doubt about that. But there are certain things in life that only the spirituality gifted will encounter. Things that seem otherworldly and when talked about may be scoffed at by the general public. However, there is no doubt that these abilities do exist for a select few. In today's video, we will discuss these gifts so that you can find out if you have some or maybe even all of these traits. But beware, for some, these gifts can have a negative side that may seem like a curse. They can make normal life difficult at times, even with all their advantages. We will explain in detail so that you can overcome the challenges that you may encounter with these abilities. Imagine your life as a glass. Are you the empty one, waiting to be filled, or the full one, ready to overflow with wisdom? Stick around as we reveal life's essence and find out how this idea can change everything, giving your life more purpose. Your spiritual gifts were not given for your own benefit, but for the benefit of others, just as other people were given gifts for your benefit. Rick Warren. People with spiritual gifts often experience a profound sense of intuition, sometimes described as a sixth sense or an inner knowing. This heightened intuition allows them to perceive information beyond what is immediately obvious, making decisions or understanding situations without the need for logical reasoning. For instance, they might sense when something is about to happen or feel a strong pull toward a particular action without knowing why. This intuition often guides them in their daily lives, helping them navigate complex situations with a sense of clarity and purpose that others may find uncanny. This intuitive ability can also manifest in their interactions with others. They may instinctively know when someone is lying, in pain, or in need of support, even if the other person hasn't said anything. This can make them incredibly empathetic and attuned to the needs of those around them, but it can also be overwhelming at times. Constantly receiving intuitive insights can lead to a heightened sense of responsibility or even anxiety as they try to balance their own needs with the intuitive information they receive. Along with heightened intuition, your mind never really stops when you're asleep. Individuals with spiritual gifts often experience vivid dreams and visions that go beyond the ordinary. These dreams can be incredibly detailed, filled with symbolic imagery, and often leave a lasting impression upon waking. Unlike typical dreams, which may fade quickly from memory, these vivid dreams may feel more real and can carry significant messages or insights. For some, these dreams might offer glimpses into the future, provide guidance for difficult decisions, or reveal deeper truths about their life's purpose. The content of these dreams can be both enlightening and unsettling, as they often challenge the dreamer to confront aspects of their life or spiritual journey they may not have been consciously aware of. Visions, on the other hand, can occur both during sleep and in waking states, often during meditation or moments of deep concentration. These visions may present as brief flashes of imagery, extended scenes, or even as symbolic representations of spiritual truths. People with spiritual gifts might see visions of events that later come to pass or receive visual guidance that helps them understand complex situations. These experiences can feel like a direct communication from the spiritual realm, offering insights that are not accessible through ordinary means. However, interpreting these visions can be challenging, as they often require the individual to develop a deep understanding of symbolism and spiritual language. Empathy comes naturally to those with spiritual gifts. This heightened sensitivity allows you to deeply connect with others' emotions, even from afar. Simply knowing about someone's pain can cause you deep distress. Your ability to sense and respond to emotional pain transcends typical understanding, enabling profound connections with those suffering. You might find yourself feeling emotions that seem to come out of nowhere, which are actually the feelings of others around you. This empathetic nature also means you can offer comfort and understanding in ways that others cannot. Your presence alone can be soothing to those in distress, providing a safe space for them to express their feelings. This deep emotional sensitivity can be both a gift and a challenge, requiring you to learn how to manage and protect your own emotional well-being while supporting others. Now, it's important to understand that empathy and emotional sensitivity is also a double-edged sword, as we will soon talk about. Sensitivity to criticism is another trait of the spiritually gifted. Even mild critiques can deeply impact you, cutting through your defenses. It's crucial to understand that not all criticism is personal. Learning to differentiate between constructive feedback and unwarranted negativity is vital. Embracing positive feedback can transform vulnerabilities into strengths, helping you grow on your spiritual path. Developing a thick skin while maintaining sensitivity can be a delicate balance, but it's essential for personal growth. This heightened sensitivity to criticism can also be a tool for self-improvement. By carefully considering feedback, you can identify areas for growth and improvement. It's important to surround yourself with supportive individuals who understand your sensitivity and provide constructive, compassionate feedback. This support system can help you navigate criticism more effectively, turning potential setbacks into opportunities for growth. Let's move on to the special connection with animals that spiritually gifted people often have. Your spiritual connection extends beyond humans to the animal kingdom. Animals sense and respond to your aura in unique ways. Pets that might usually be wary of strangers are drawn to your presence. This bond with animals showcases the depth of your spiritual gifts, uniting you with all living beings and highlighting the interconnectedness of life on Earth. You might find that animals come to you for comfort and healing, sensing your gentle and understanding nature. This connection with animals can also manifest in a deeper appreciation and respect for wildlife and nature. You might feel a strong urge to protect and care for animals, recognizing them as sentient beings with their own emotions and spirits. This profound bond emphasizes the spiritual principle that all life is interconnected, encouraging a harmonious relationship with the natural world. Next, discover how weather can deeply impact spiritually gifted individuals. Weather changes deeply affect spiritually gifted individuals. While others might not notice, you feel a profound connection with the shifting weather patterns. This sensitivity to nature's rhythms, such as storms or lunar cycles, resonates on a deeper level. These changes might evoke strong emotions or inspiration, reminding you of your bond with the universe and the mysteries it holds. You might feel more energized or introspective depending on the weather, noticing patterns that others overlook. This connection can also extend to other natural phenomena, such as the changing seasons or the phases of the moon. These cycles can influence your mood, energy levels, and even your spiritual practices. Understanding and honoring these natural rhythms can help you stay aligned with your spiritual path, using the energy of the earth to guide and support your journey. Next, we share the mysteries of the third eye and clairvoyance. Many spiritually gifted individuals feel pressure at the third eye, located between the eyebrows. This sensation often signals clairvoyant potential, allowing communication with spiritual beings and deeper intuition. Engaging in practices like meditation and visualization can unlock the third eye's full power, enhancing your ability to perceive beyond the physical realm. These practices can help you access higher levels of consciousness, where deeper insights and intuitive knowledge reside. As you develop your clairvoyant abilities, you might begin to experience vivid visions or premonitions. These insights can guide you in making important decisions or understanding complex situations. Cultivating these abilities requires patience and practice, but the rewards are profound. By trusting and honing your intuition, you can gain a deeper understanding of the spiritual dimensions that influence your life. Furthering the journey of opening one's third eye individuals may experience this next gift. Astral projection, also known as an out-of-body experience, OBE, is a phenomenon where an individual's consciousness is temporarily separated from their physical body, allowing them to explore other realms or dimensions. For those with spiritual gifts, this experience can occur spontaneously during sleep, meditation, or moments of deep relaxation. During astral projection, the person often feels as though they are floating above their physical body, with the ability to move freely through space. This sensation can be both exhilarating and disorienting, as the individual realizes they are not bound by the usual physical limitations. People who experience astral projection may find themselves traveling to places they have never physically visited, or encountering beings from other planes of existence. These journeys can be profoundly spiritual, offering insights into the nature of reality, the afterlife, or the interconnectedness of all things. Some may visit loved ones who have passed away, communicate with spirit guides, or explore mystical landscapes that seem to hold deep symbolic meaning. However, the experience can also be unsettling, especially for those who are unprepared for the sensation of leaving their body. It requires a level of trust in the process and a willingness to explore the unknown. For many, mastering astral projection becomes a tool for spiritual growth, providing a unique perspective on the nature of consciousness and the universe. Now, let's get back in our bodies and talk about physical sensations that signal spiritual connections. Spiritually gifted individuals often experience physical sensations in response to unseen forces. Feelings like prickling or tingling confirm your heightened spiritual connection. These responses can occur when encountering spiritual presences or powerful energy fields. Recognizing and understanding these sensations can deepen your spiritual experiences and connection with the unseen aspects of existence. You might feel these sensations during moments of intense emotion or spiritual insight, indicating a strong, energetic presence. These physical responses can also serve as indicators of your alignment with your spiritual path. When you are in harmony with your purpose and the energies around you, these sensations can become more frequent and pronounced. Learning to interpret these signals can provide valuable guidance, helping you navigate your spiritual journey with greater awareness and confidence. Finally, harnessing the power of your unique gifts, you contribute to the essence of life itself. And life's essence lies in what you contribute with your unique gifts. By sharing your talents, you amplify your own power. Life's essence is deeply intertwined with the contributions we make using our unique gifts. Each person possesses talents and abilities that, when shared, not only benefit others, but also lead to personal growth and fulfillment. Imagine these gifts as water in a glass. When the glass is full, it has the capacity to nourish and sustain others. By sharing your gifts, you amplify your own power, creating a ripple effect that impacts those around you. This act of giving is not just about helping others, it's also a way to tap into the deeper reservoirs of your own potential. The more you give, the more you find yourself growing, evolving, and becoming more attuned to your purpose. Reflecting on your contributions can also offer valuable insights into your personal growth journey. Are you like the full glass, generously pouring out your knowledge and love to others? Or do you sometimes find yourself as the empty glass, feeling depleted and in need of replenishment? Perhaps you're somewhere in between, with knowledge and experiences from many lifetimes waiting to be shared. The key is to recognize where you are on this spectrum and how your contributions shape your growth. By actively seeking ways to share your gifts, you not only enrich the lives of others, but also deepen your understanding of yourself and your place in the world. Each act of contribution becomes a step forward on your spiritual journey, leading to greater self-awareness, wisdom, and fulfillment. What aspect of spirituality resonates with you the most, and how has it impacted your life journey? Share them in the comments section below. We're grateful to have you here with us today, and as part of our growing community. We hope that the insights shared in this video will continue to inspire growth and understanding in your life. Until next time.